Hi, Tom here. We'll learn PDR online, and today I'm just going to show you a real short, quick tip. A friend of mine, or a fellow dent man, shout out to AD at Dr. Dent, recommended this tape to me. It is a Gorilla tape, and it is brilliant for just taping the tip of the tools. I've tried a few different kind of generic gaffer tapes, duct tapes, and it doesn't take long before you push through. But with this stuff, it's brilliant. Just take off a small little bit, get your tool, and you can just wrap it obviously as many times as you like around the tip, and it just gives you a bit of a softer push, less likely to get high spots, but also you can take it, kind of reduce the levels of tape that are on there as you go. So that was it really today. Just wanted to pass on a tip that was passed on to me. It's Gorilla tape. I recommend it, and it's brilliant for just wrapping the tips of tools for PDR. Thanks for watching.